In this video, I'll guide you through how to cancel job alerts on Indeed. If your inbox is filling up with notifications you no longer need, or you've already found a job and want to tidy things up, turning off those alerts is a quick and simple process. I'll walk you through each step so you know exactly where to click and what to expect along the way. Let's start from your main Indeed dashboard. Go ahead and sign in to your account if you haven't already, and once you're logged in, you'll be on the dashboard where you usually see job recommendations and recent searches. From here, look towards the top or upper right area of the page for your account options. You might see your profile icon or a label like Account. Click on that and then choose the option that takes you to your account settings. Once you're in your account area, you'll want to navigate to your communication settings. This is where Indeed controls what kinds of messages they send you, including job alerts. Look for a link or tab labeled Settings or Communication Settings. Click that to open the page where all your email and notification preferences are managed. On the Communication Settings page, locate the section that deals specifically with email. You should see an email heading, often with a small drop-down arrow or a similar icon next to it. That arrow lets you expand or collapse more detailed options. Click the drop-down arrow from the email section to reveal the list of email types and alerts associated with your account. Within this expanded email section, you'll see your job alerts listed. Next to each alert, there will typically be an option to edit or delete it. Editing is useful if you still want alerts but need to adjust things like the job title, location, or frequency. Deleting is what you want if you're ready to stop receiving that alert entirely. For cancelling, click the option that says edit or delete, depending on how Indeed presents it for that specific alert. If you choose to delete the alert, Indeed will usually ask you to confirm that you really want to cancel it. This extra step helps prevent you from removing an alert by accident. Read the confirmation message to make sure you're cancelling the correct alert, then confirm the cancellation. Once you do that, that specific job alert will be turned off and you should stop receiving new emails for it. If you have more than one job alert set up, repeat the same process for each alert you no longer want. Go back to the email section, use the drop-down arrow if needed, then click edit or delete next to each alert and confirm the cancellation. After you're done, it's a good idea to quickly review your communication settings one more time. Make sure only the alerts and emails you still find useful are enabled. This helps keep your inbox clean and ensures you only get notifications that matter to you. That's all it takes to cancel job alerts on Indeed. Starting from your dashboard, heading into your account and settings, opening your communication settings, expanding the email section, choosing edit or delete on the alerts you don't need, and confirming the cancellation.